Hey guys, how are you doing? So Apple released iOS 18.2 officially to all compatible iPhone and iPad models. With this, iPhone 15 Pro, 15 Pro Max and all the iPhone 16 models receives the new Apple Intelligence set of features. Along with the new Siri UI, you will also receive more features like Image Playground, ChatGPT integration, Genmoji, and so on. So for some users, the ChatGPT integration is not properly working, it seems. So in order to fix that, navigate inside the settings app and make sure the Apple Intelligence and Siri toggle is on and it is properly enabled, because if you're seeing any error message that the Apple Intelligence and Siri files are yet to download, or you are having some sort of error, then the ChatGPT integration will also not work. Check out our previous episode. I'll leave a link to that in the description and in the first pinned comment so that you can fix this problem first, enabling the Apple Intelligence and Siri successfully, and then we can troubleshoot the ChatGPT integration not working on iPhone after iOS 18.2 update. So once it's enabled and everything is done, scroll down a little bit and you can see under extensions, you will see the ChatGPT, and make sure this toggle is on. Once the use ChatGPT toggle is on, the feature is ready to work with your Siri request. For example, use ChatGPT. What is Apple Intelligence?
Apple Intelligence is Apple's initiative in the realm of artificial intelligence.
So the type of response will keep on improving every time you ask a question. So with some response, when you ask it for the first time, the Siri may not use the voice response feature. With some requests, it will start to use the voice response feature. And it is not mandatory to log in, sign in with your ChatGPT account. But for some users right now, I think the OpenAI servers are kind of overwhelmed. So it is not possible to log in with your ChatGPT Plus account or even the free account, and users are started to see some errors that related to the authentication error when they try to sign in to their ChatGPT account. So don't worry about it. This is just a temporary error, and in the next few hours, you will see the problem is getting fixed, and there is no limit for you to send and receive the ChatGPT request. And you can choose whether to get a confirmation from you before sending a request to ChatGPT. Like if you're concerned about the privacy, then you can keep this toggle on. By default, it is on. If you want to not receive the prompt of asking permission to you whether to send the request to the ChatGPT or not, you can turn off this toggle. By default, if you use ChatGPT while asking Siri, it won't ask for permission. Otherwise, if there is any requirement that Siri cannot find the answer in its database, then it will ask you the permission in order to use the ChatGPT knowledge. You can send unlimited requests without any worry about logging in or signing in with your ChatGPT account. But if you want to keep a record of your chat history, then you can sign in, and temporarily it is just an error. Try it after a few hours and you will be able to successfully connect your ChatGPT account with Apple Intelligence and Siri feature. Then it will start to work normally. So right now I have updated to the stable version of iOS 18.2, and overall the performance is really good. So far no issues, but the way Apple Intelligence and Siri, with ChatGPT integration or without ChatGPT, still in beta. So you may experience some sort of errors like the answers abruptly disconnected. You need to reinitiate the request to the Siri or to the ChatGPT in order to get the answer once again. And I'm expecting in the upcoming iOS updates, we will see more fixes to both the iPhone and iPad to address these issues. So do share your thoughts about how the iOS 18.2 Apple Intelligence and Siri with ChatGPT integration overall is working out for you. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.